Let me try to explain the graph, how to plot the graph. This Excel sheet I can give to you in the description area. Three items are needed for this graph to plot. First of all, it needs is the hours needed against each task. Then the percentage of completion for each task per day. Then the individual log hours per task per day. Now let us take the first sheet. To start with, we have say these many tasks, and this is supposed to be the plan for the task. Now looking at the percentage of completion, the day values are put. 100 percentage completion results in value of 0. That means in the first day itself the task is completed. So no more hours is needed for this task. That is what it is telling here. If you take a formula for this, in this row, the 4 is means that the first day nothing has happened. As in the formula you can see 0 divided by 100, 0 percentage of completion. Then in the second day it has reached 2. So in the formula that 50 percentage is completed. Now 1 means 75 percentage completed, 0 means 100 percentage is completed. Like that this data is plotted. So when we sum it up, it becomes the orange slanting line in the graph, this line. Now next sheet just shows you the hours that is logged by the team throughout. The next sheet is the cumulative log hours. That is, if 2 hours is logged in the first day, if nothing is logged, that 2 hours carry over to the next day, and it is a cumulative sum. And this sum is needed in the purple graph. So the purple graph is the thing happens is like this. It is the hours needed plus the cumulative log hours. So it is needed to be less than 30. If it goes above 30, it means the team did work, but still the work doesn't move as expected. The cumulative log hours plus the hours needed should be 30 or less. Now all the 4 sheets data I have summarized here. The ideal duration I have plotted a straight line from 30 to 0 as a single line. The actual duration orange we discussed. The total project hours is 30 as per the plan. It is static value, and purple lines, purple value also we discussed. And with this thing in mind, this is the value for the graph 4 lines that is getting plotted. I can post the graph so that you can check the formulas in detail.